Yeah.
Hey cuties, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be going to Liberia where we'll be making some pepper soup. There's different ways of making pepper soup, but I opted for this one. I absolutely love the color and the flavor of this soup. In order for you to attain this, you have to use kidney and you have to allow the soup to cook for a long period of time. It cost me only roughly £11 to make and under 2 hours to cook. Enjoy! We're gonna start off by seasoning our cleaned meat. So we'll put some Raja garlic, some parsley, some jumbo, and some Old Bay seasoning. Add a cup of water and pop your lid on. Now we're going to add our onions and pepper. You could have done this in the beginning, but on that day I forgot. So yeah, just add your onions and your pepper and give it a stir. Moving on to your blended mixture, you're going to add your onion, your pepper, and your whole crayfish. It's so important to put crayfish in this because this brings out the flavor. Add some water into the mixture, and then I'm going to go in with some more crayfish, but this one's a dry ground one, and give it a blitz. By now the soup has been cooking for roughly 30 minutes and I'm going to add my smoked turkey to the mixture. After roughly 10 to 15 minutes, we're going to proceed to add the blended mixture. As you guys can tell, the color of the soup is already getting darker, but we really want that nice, rich brown color. It's been roughly an hour and I decided to taste the soup and it needed some more seasoning. So this is a great time for you to add some more seasoning if need be. Moving on to our okra, we're going to chop up the top and bottom stems and slice them into half. You only need a handful for this recipe. Yes, I know the soup is drying, but don't be scared. Just add your okra into the pot, give it a good stir, and then take some boiling hot water and add it until it fills and covers the meat. Okay guys, we're getting close to that color, however we're not there as yet, so you're just gonna have to give it a good stir for a bit and then pop your lid back on to allow it to brew for maybe another 10 to 15 minutes. 15 minutes later, we're going to repeat the same process again. Because the okra isn't cooked as yet, we want to make sure that the okra is stringy and doesn't have a form anymore. After repeating the process 3 times, we can no longer see the okra. Once you serve it, you'll probably see the stringiness, but this is how the soup should look like in the end. Nice and brown, very rich and yummy. This can be served with fufu. Bon appetit!